here. Tries to pass it through. He's having a shot! I thought that was going somewhere, but they'll have to go again. Pull it, swings it across. And that has been clubbed away. He's heaved it away.
Mbappe really was well marshalled there because they're in transitions like this.
Neymar closing in on goal. He was unapologetically persistent. It's almost personal. It has to be. Here's Rodri. Barcelona are seeing plenty of the ball, but for now they trail. Neymar down with the ball. Oh, super ball! Shot goal! That's another goal! They've done it! Barcelona are back in business!
Musiala, too hesitation, too Peter, just instinctively knew where the ball would be and where he needed to put himself. Good tap.
Wan-Bissaka. Half-time getting close now. Bergami kept his eye on it, and he's gone. Dida chooses to deal with Conte. Tries to play it through.
Teams go about trying to establish more control in the second half.
And they come to the break with nothing to separate them. The score, one shapes the shoots!
It's really well manoeuvred.
Oh, he's enjoyed that. Tries a shot! That is certainly not what he had in mind. Pumps it off in and wins back the ball. And Shevchenko coming under serious pressure here.
Yeah, they've got to be careful, Peter, that they don't allow their attempts.
Shevchenko! Goal! Barcelona! And the game is well and truly turned on its head. Not so much sophistication as Yamal. It's a searching pass. It's been slipped through. And that's the end of that. It all started well enough. Some really good ball movement. Oh, that's a fine point. So plenty of test in getting to the ball, but couldn't quite sort it out. Great kick out. Yamal gets through and a chance! And I think Musiala, given the lift of his goal, goes beyond the defence. Neymar is on his own. Can he finish? Same again, same outcome.
Barcelona really can be very happy with the way they're going about things, Peter. They want to capitalise on this spell, though.
With iron, with pragmatism, the sort you expect from a team like this. Admirable, enjoyable, and look how they reacted to that.